Sunset family. This is Mrs. Mireles, and today I'm going to show you how to go on to RAZ Kids and how to complete those 4 activities for you to receive 5 points so that you can accumulate those points and come and purchase things at our RAZ Kids student store. So let me go ahead and get started. Just 1 minute. All right, so the first thing you need to do is you need to go to your internet browser. You can use Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge if you have Microsoft Edge. And then on the search engine, you are going to type kids-z.com. Click enter, and you're going to get sent over to the login page here. And before you get started, you will have to type in your teacher's username. Now, your teacher has that information. And just for today, I'm going to be using one of our teachers. So to log in, there we go. All right. After you are in your teacher's page or your classroom, you'll see all the student names. You're going to find your name. Now I have 2 here that are just sample students, so I'm going to click on Herbie. Now right here, you will have a password of your own. So this one here is a practice one, so I can share this password because the student is not here at our school. It's just a sample. And this password, let's see, there's strawberry and carrot, I think. We're going to click go. All right, so now you will get to this home page right here. You're going to click on the reading, not level up. You're going to go over to reading room. And the reading room will take you here. Let's say today we're going to go to Spanish to read some Spanish books. So you will have many different Spanish books that you can choose so that you're, to practice your reading. You can also, let's see, not also, but view all would be all of these. I'm going to select one just to practice today. So we're going to look at Los Bomberos. Okay. All right, so this is where we get to the activities that you need to complete for each book so that you can earn points. Okay, I know that you see the 10, 50, 150. Now these points here, you earn them when you're done, but these points are only for RAZ Kids. That means that the points that you get here or earn here, you can use to purchase things for your avatar. These are not the points that myself or Mrs. Valtierra will be using for our student store. We're going to be using the 5 points for the 4 activities that you complete. So I'll just repeat that again. You will receive 5 points for the 4 activities that you will be completing. I know you see 3 here, but there's actually 4 because when you go to the read, there's a little record button there, and that would be your 4th activity, to record yourself. So let's go to listen. So when you're here in the listening part of the story, you just click play.
Los Bomberos. Escrito por Katie Knight. Pregunta principal. ¿Qué hacen los bomberos para mantenernos a salvo?
And that's all you need to do. You listen to the story, and it will go ahead and go through the story. So you're listening. There we go.
¿Puedes oír la potente sirena? Es el sonido de los bomberos que corren para combatir un incendio en su camión de bomberos rojo brillante.
I'm going to pause right here. So that's all you'll be doing for the first activity. You have to listen to the entire story, okay? So when you're done, it'll tell you you've completed this task. And let me show you the example of the other one. I got to find my book. Los Bomberos. And you'll see when I click again, there's a little yellow tab right here. That means that it's still in session. You haven't finished, or I haven't finished, listening to the entire story. When it's done, there's going to be a green check mark, and you'll be receiving 10 RAZ stars, which you can use for your avatar. So let's say we got that green check mark and say, okay, I'm ready to now read. So you click on the read, and then you read it yourself. Now, I recommend you reading it once on your own to practice it, because the first time you do it might be a little difficult, or there'll be a couple words and you'll think, okay, what was this word again? So the first read is a practice read, okay? So, los bomberos. Pregunta principal. ¿Qué hacen los bomberos para mantenernos a salvo? Okay, so let's say we continue and we're reading the entire story. Again, I'm just practicing here. I'm going through it quickly so that I show you what it looks like. Let's say that we've continued and we're reading and we're reading and we're reading the story, and we continue. Again, I'm just fast forwarding it so that you get the gist of it. Okay. So once you've completed, you're going to earn, which are your first stars, right? These are the stars that you've earned for reading the book. Again, these stars are only going to be used for your avatar. Now, okay, I'm done. I practiced reading it. I'm good. So now I feel confident. Now that I've read it, I'm ready to record myself. So you see this green check mark? That means you've read it. You click back into the reading part again. And now you're going to click the record button, because now I'm ready to record myself, because I've already read it once. So I'm ready to record it. And then you click here. Oops, I'm sorry. You click the record, the little red box with the white dot here. I'm going to allow. Los bomberos. Los bomberos. Pregunta principal. ¿Qué hacen los bomberos para mantenernos a salvo? Palabras para aprender. Ahogar, bomba, bomberos, combustible, equipos, máquina, oxígeno, rociar, sustancias químicas. Introducción. ¿Puedes oír la potente sirena? Es el sonido de los bomberos que corren para combatir un incendio en su camión de bomberos rojo brillante. Let's say I finish it all. I'm going to stop, or maybe I want to just re-record it. But if I can listen to it, I'm going to press play. Los bomberos. Los bomberos. Pregunta principal. ¿Qué hacen los bomberos para mantenernos a salvo? Okay, so if I like my recording, I'm just going to continue to read the story and finish it. So once I'm completed with that, it'll give me, like the last one, it'll give me some stars saying, congratulations, you're done. And then you can stop your recording. Okay, let's go back to the reading room. And that's recording. So that's 3 activities I've done so far. Okay, so I did the reading. See, the green check is for the reading, but there's a little flag here that's telling me that I still need to finish my recording part. I still need to finish listening to it. And the last part is the quiz. So this is the quiz I take. Now, I could always read it and take the quiz and go back and listen to it. That's really up to you. That's your choice. Okay? So those are going to be the 4 activities. So once it's completed, we can check to see if you finished all 4 activities. So I'll close this up. And that is all. Hold on just a minute. Okay, so that's it, boys and girls. So that's how you use RAZ Kids. Again, if you have any questions, you can have your parents email me or call the office if you'd like us to walk you through it. We're more than happy to help you. So happy reading. I'm really excited to see how many points people earn or students earn so that they're able to come and purchase things at our student store. Okay, bye-bye.